OhmAzing Living. I'm Carla. Welcome to November, welcome to fall, a time of the year when not only do we clear out old stuck energies, but we begin to allow our body to relax in preparation for resting in the winter and renewal in the spring. We're going to start today with a nice chair video to help open your chest, open your hips, and allow you to go into the day open, ready to receive, and ready to give. Let's start by taking our hands to prayer center and just centering ourselves for a moment, sitting up nice and tall, having our feet maybe a couple of fist widths apart, nice straight back, sitting on the edge of our chair, closing down our eyes and taking a couple of breaths, breathing in deeply through your nostrils, exhaling it out through your lips like you're blowing on hot soup. Inhale deeply through both nostrils. Exhaling it out. One more just like that. Inhaling it in. And exhaling it out. Let's take a moment to check in with ourselves, check in with our mind, see how we're doing, see if our thoughts are racing or if we're still kind of calm and quiet. Check in with your body, see how it feels, giving thanks that you have the ability to use your body in chair yoga, to be able to move freely. And let's check in with our mood. How's your mood? Are you feeling good today? Are you feeling a little down? If so, hopefully practice will get you going and lift your spirits some. Go ahead and set an intention for your practice if you'd like. And if you're ready, take a deep breath in, take your arms all the way up in the air. Reach, reach, reach. Exhale, let your shoulders drop into their shoulder sockets. Take a breath here. Inhale it in. Exhale, drop your right arm down to the chair. Drop your left arm to your right knee. Twist, look over your right shoulder. Inhale, both arms come all the way up in the air. Other side, left hand comes down behind the chair. Right arm to left leg. Twist, look over your left shoulder. Inhale, both arms come all the way up in the air. Face your palms forward. On your exhale, bring your arms directly out in front of you, palms facing forward. Inhale, open your arms out to a T. Palms are still out. Bring your shoulder blades together. Look up for a cow. Exhale, round your back. Bring the palms of your hands together. Look down at the floor. Inhale, arms come all the way up. Palms are facing forward. Exhale, bring your arms directly down in front of you. Really push out through those palms. And then inhale, open your arms out. Look up. Exhale, round your back. Bring the palms of your hands together. Look down. One more, just like that. Inhale, take your arms all the way out. Palms facing forward. Exhale, push out through your hands as you bring your arms directly in front of you. And then inhale, bring them all the way out to the sides. Try to reach them together in the back behind you as you look up, and then exhale, palms together as you round your back and look down. Inhale, bring both arms up, and exhale, bring them all the way down to your sides. Excellent job, you guys. Take one breath here. Blow it out. Go ahead and sit up nice and tall. Ground your feet into the floor. Nice straight back, drop your shoulders, engage your core. So your core goes all the way down from your feet, all the way up to the top of your body. Engage everything. Sitting up nice and tall. On your next inhale, I want you to go ahead and pick up that right leg. Take it straight out in front of you. You might have to lean back just a little bit, keeping that back straight. Point and flex your toe. Go ahead and roll out your ankle a little bit in one direction and then in the other, warming up our leg. point your toe and let's do 5 leg circles in one direction for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Other direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Flex your foot. Take your hands behind your leg. See if you can pull your leg up towards you. Flexing that foot, nice straight back, opening up the back of the knee. Do what's in your practice. Inhale, exhale it out. Go ahead and lower your leg back level and point your toe. Take an inhale in. Take your arms out to cactus and hold. On your next exhale, leg out to the right-hand side. So 1, 2, 5, 6, last one, 8, hold, bend your knee, drop your foot down to the side of your chair, sit up nice and tall. Your right foot is bent and your knee is off to the side of your chair. The other leg is bent straight out in front of you. Take your arms out to a T. Look out over your right hand. Somewhat of a warrior two. Breathe, take a big breath in. Exhale, allow your shoulders to drop in their shoulder sockets. Really look out over those right fingertips. Engage your arms. Breathe out through your fingertips. Exhale, drop your right arm down. Take your left arm overhead and reach both sits bones. Stay on the chair. On your inhale in, flip that left palm up. Look up underneath your left elbow. Open up your chest a little bit. 2 breaths here. Inhale, straighten your arm, bring it all the way back behind you. And then exhale, bring it down in front of you, some arm circles. Bring it all the way down towards the floor. Inhale as it comes all the way back up behind you. Exhale it straight down. 2 more just like that. Inhale, come all the way back up. Take your arm behind you. Last one, bring it all the way down. Inhale it up, bring it all the way behind you. Come up to a T. Take your arms back out to warrior. Breathe. Inhale, flip your front right palm up. Take your right arm up in the air. Drop your left arm down to the chair. Reach back behind you with your right arm. Inhale, both arms come up. Turn to face that right leg. Take your arms directly behind you. Interlace your fingers. Pull your hands away from your shoulders down, away from your ears. And on your exhale, bend over that right knee. Take your arms up behind you if you can. For somewhat of a humble warrior in a seated position. Inhale, come all the way back up. Release the bind on your hands. Take them all the way up in the air. And on your exhale, allow them to fall to the chair. As you go ahead and you bring yourself back around, sitting up nice and tall, both feet directly in front of you, couple fists widths apart, nice mountain pose. Take a breath here. Breathe. Other side. We're going to pick up our left leg. We're going to take it straight out in front of us. We're going to point and flex and roll out our ankle in both directions. Get any air pops out of there that you need to do. And then go ahead and point your toe, leg circles. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause, other direction. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pause. Flex your foot. Go ahead and put your hands behind your leg. Pull your leg up towards you as much as you can. Flexing that foot. Opening up the back of your knee. Engaging your hamstrings. Breathe. Keep your back as flat as you can, please. And then on your exhale, go ahead and lower your leg back down to hip level, pointing your toe. Take a big breath in. Let's cactus our arms. Nice strong arms. Really engage your muscles here. Take that left leg out to the side. 1, 2, 3, 6, 2 more, 7, 8, and pause, bend your knee, drop it down to the floor so that your leg is onto the side of the chair. Front leg is facing, right leg is facing forward. Take your arms out to a T. Look out over your left hands and breathe. Take a big breath in. Exhale, drop your shoulders into their shoulder sockets. Breathe. Exhale, drop your left hand down. Take your right arm overhead. On your next inhale in, flip that right palm up. Look up underneath your elbow. Open your chest. On your next inhale in, straighten that arm up. Bring it back behind you. And on your exhale, dip it down for arm circles. Inhale it up. And exhale it down. Breathing in deeply. Swinging that arm back behind you and then exhaling it, bringing it down. One more, inhale it up, bring it all the way back behind you. Swing it down. And this time when you inhale your arm up, come back up, arms out to a T. Look out over that your left fingers. Really breathe out through your fingertips. Inhale, flip your front palm, grab your chair with your right hand, take your left arm overhead, reach. Inhale, come on back up to a T. Take a nice big breath in, turn to face that left leg, take your arms behind you, interlace your fingers, press your palms down, pulling your shoulders away from your ears as you bend over that left leg, taking your arms away from your back if you can. Inhale, release your fingers, take your arms all the way up in the air. Exhale, go ahead and put your arms to the side of your chair as you swing your leg around and come up to a mountain pose. Excellent job. Alrighty, let's open our feet out just a little bit. So maybe the width of the chair legs. Sit up nice and tall. Take a big breath in. Exhale, nice flat back, come forward. If you have a bar on your chair, reach for the bar in between the legs. If you don't, see if you can just reach down for the legs themselves and allow yourself to lean forward, holding on to the bar, elongating your spine, feeling that nice stretch in your lower back. Take a couple of breaths here. Inhale it in. Exhale it out. Push in through your feet. When you're ready, allow your hands to come down to the floor if they're not there already. Take a nice big breath in and let's pick up that right hand all the way up into the air. Twist, open up your chest to the right hand side. Exhale, drop your arm down. Inhale, other side. Arm comes up. Exhale it down. Inhale, slowly bring yourself back up, nice flat back. When your chin comes up, your arms come up. And exhale, drop your arms down. Go ahead, heel toe your feet back a little bit, closer together, not too close together. So say, I don't know, hip width apart. Sit up nice and tall, take a big breath in, take your arms all the way up in the air. Interlace your fingers, flip your palms forward and take them back behind your head. Open up your chest. Breathe. Inhale, pull your arms, your elbows apart as you look up. Exhale, come back to neutral. Bring your head, dip your chin just a tad, just a little bit. Inhale, look up, opening up your elbows and your arms a little bit. And exhale, bring it back. Tuck your chin just a tad. And then inhale back to neutral and exhale it out. Excellent. Keep your hands where they are. If you need to scoot forward on your chair a little bit, that's fine. We're going to do some crunches here. What we're going to do is we're going to inhale in, and on our exhale, we're going to take our left elbow to our right knee and then down. And then we're going to take our right elbow to our left knee and down. And you may have to lean back a little bit, nice flat back, engage your abs. Remember, we're going to be crunching on the exhale. Really engage your abs when you do this. So let's take a nice big breath in. Exhale and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, and 10. Excellent job. Take your arms down to the side. Heel toe your feet back in. Let's take a nice big breath in. Exhale, swan dive it forward. Forward fold. Drop your head. Allow your hands to come down to the floor. Inhale, halfway lift. Hands to your shins. Pull your shoulder blades apart. Crown of your head's facing forward. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, slowly begin bringing yourself all the way back up. Placing your hands on your lap, sitting up nice and tall in mountain pose. Let's get ourselves ready for Shavasana. Let's take a couple of breaths here. For those of you that would like to join me in one round of Nadi Shodhana on each side, please feel free to sit in. I'm going to pick up my right hand. I'm going to close off my right nostril. Inhale in through your left nostril. Close off your left. Exhale out your right. Inhale in through the right. Close off the right. Exhale out the left. Drop your hand down to your lap. Take one breath in and out through both nostrils. And then go ahead and pick up your left hand, closing off your left nostril, taking an inhale in to the right. Closing off the right, exhaling out the left. Inhale in through the left. Closing off the left and exhaling out the right. Drop your hand back down to your lap. Go ahead and take a couple of resting breaths. Thank you so much for joining me today. I wish you nothing but peace, happiness, joy, and grace. Let's take our hands to forehead center and say Namaste. Shanti, Shanti, peace.